good one. You're such a
I've been in your waters. I came for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Due to unforeseen circumstances,
Don't worry
we're gonna
about
have
that,
to
just get on it.
Shoot it over to Will right now.
There he goes. Hey everyone, this is Will from Bullet Motorsports. John's a little laid up right now, so I'm stepping in for him. Ow! Presenting you guys this really cool little 95 Austin Mini Cooper Cabriolet with a rag top. She has been recently restored, rebuilt 1.3 liter. Has a short ratio transmission with it, and this amazing interior was recently redone. Fresh leather on the door cards, and the dash was wrapped in leather as well. Aftermarket stereo, billet little bits and goodies. I think this one's a real good looker. How do we get in the hood? Oh. So to get in the hood, you gotta reach on the other side because this was a right-hand drive car. And we have this fun little piece of machinery. 1.3 liters, K&N intake, recently rebuilt, and she runs really, really smooth. Want to walk around back? Here's your little boot. This is all fresh carpet. Comes with a cover for you. This looks really solid and clean in here. Shock towers are solid. Everything looks good. Let's take it for a drive. Yeah. If you look at the roof line, all the rain rails are really straight. Bodywork is really straight. Fresh paint. It was recently restored not too long ago. I'd rate it a solid 8.5 out of 10, I'd say. I mean, the 12-inch mini lights are just a classic look for the Mini. Can't ask for anything better than this. In British Racing green over cream, that's a beautiful, beautiful combination. All the chrome and bright work is pretty solid. Little imperfections here and there. And the side mirror is also starting to flake a little bit. But other than that, I'd say, yeah, solid 8.5 out of 10. Let's take it for a drive. Hey everyone, all right, we're in the Mini. Windows go down as they should. Fires up immediately. Turnkey, ready to go. Seatbelts, gotta be legal. All right, so we have our aftermarket radio, which works. You got a little clock here. Ashtray. Oh, that sounds good. Aftermarket speakers in the back too. You do have a vent, AC vent end defroster, but there's no air conditioning per se. But you do get a blower and a defroster. All the signals work, lights work as they should. Let's take her out. Clutch is really light.
So for a taller dude, I mean, how tall are you? What do you feel?
I'm about 5'11" 3/4, and I feel like there's a decent amount of headroom. But for the taller gentleman, we can fit you in here. Power sunroof. Yeah, and it's a beautiful sunny day here in South Florida, so well, let's just leave that open for the drive. All right, coming out on a Ravenswood here. First gear, real good. It's a short ratio 4-speed, so even though it's 55 horsepower, she does feel really, really peppy, especially through the 12-inch wheels. It's real fun. It's like a big go-kart. Oh, handles like a go-kart. This is awesome. About to go over some bumps here. I mean, just as you would imagine a 5-pound car going over bumps would feel. It drives straight, tracks straight. It drives like a new car, really. All right, coming up to the stop sign, we'll see how these brakes work. Oh, dead straight. I like it. That aftermarket exhaust sounds really good with this 1.3. Let's see how it sounds in this bridge. Oh yeah. It's a fun little car. If you guys are interested in this car or any of our other cars, feel free to call us at 954-363-2261. We do offer financing through JJ Best. We have shipping options available. Just give us your zip code or port of entry, and we can get you a quote of any car shipped. This one will be going to Bring a Trailer, I'm assuming. But give us a call. We're coming up to our closed off area here. We get some outside shots, some rollers for you guys. And make sure to click like and subscribe, get notifications, and look out for more content just like this. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, just call us at 954-363-2261. Have a good one.